Pondicherry. Just the name sounds like a vacation, doesn't it? एक ऐसा हेरिटेज टाउन जो इंट्रोडक्शन का मोहताज बिल्कुल नहीं है. We are talking about a place that literally feels like a postcard from the past, dropped right into the middle of the Coromandel coast. Welcome to the French Riviera of the East. यहाँ की वाइबी streets, gorgeous sunsets, and those iconic mustard yellow walls. Because Pondicherry doesn't just welcome you, it beckons you into its fold. Whether you are a history buff, a beach bum, or someone who just lives for their next Instagram post, Pondi has a soul that resonates with everyone. But listen, while no one can ever get enough of this beautiful town, you are going to need a solid 2-day itinerary to cover the length and breadth of this beautiful place properly. So grab your sunglasses, rent a scooter, and let's dive into the ultimate Pondi guide. First up on our list is Auroville. Now, this isn't just a tourist spot. It's an experimental township founded by Mira Alfazar, fondly known as the Mother, to bring to life the vision of Sri Aurobindo Ghosh. Imagine a place where people from all over the world live in harmony, transcending politics and nationalities. That's Auroville for you. As you enter, the first thing you will hit is the visitor center. It's chic, it's earthy, and it's full of boutiques selling everything from the incense to the handmade paper. But the real star is the Maitri Mandir. It looks like a giant golden golf ball from the future, but inside, it's a sanctuary for meditation and silence. Pro tip: listen closely because this is where most people trip up. मैत्री मंदिर के passes at least 10 दिन पहले बुक करने होते हैं online. So if you want to go inside the inner chamber, you have to be there by 8:30 a.m. sharp. Late हुए, the game over. But even if you don't have a pass, the walk to the viewing point through the lush red earth trails is absolutely worth the hype. It's quiet, it's green, and it feels like the world has slowed down just for you. Done with the zen? Let's get some salt in the hair. Head over to Serenity Beach in Kottakappam. This is a perfect introduction to the Pondi beach life. यहाँ आप बस बैठकर relax कीजिए, watch the local fishermen bring in their catch, और go seashell hunting. यहाँ पर there is a beautiful natural stone bridge, which is basically a pier made of boulders. जिस पर वॉक करते हुए you get this breathtaking view of the Bay of Bengal hitting the shore. It's a pure vibe. But if you are feeling a little more Indiana Jones, we are heading 60 kilometers out of the town to the Pichavaram mangrove forest. Imagine rowing through the world's second largest mangrove forest. It's a literal labyrinth of water and trees. Make sure to take the boat ride either early morning or late evening. क्योंकि trust me, दोपहर में coastal sun काफी harsh होता है, and you don't want to be roasting while you are trying to look aesthetic. The way the sunlight filters through the tangled roots of the mangroves, it is cinematic. And it's an ecological heritage site that you simply can't skip. Back in the city, let's talk culture. For the history buffs, the Thillai Nataraj temple in Chidambaram is legendary. It is one of the oldest temples in South India, dedicated to Nataraja, the dancing form of Lord Shiva. The energy here is electric. If you're more into the European colonial aesthetics, the Basilica of the Sacred Heart of Jesus is a showstopper. ये perfect blend है French and Indian style का, with these beautiful stained glasses windows, जो कि ब्यूटिफुली प्ले करती है विद द लाइट इन द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल वे। डोंट मिस द इमैकुलेट कंसेप्शन कैथेड्रल, जो कि अराउंड 300 साल पुराना है। द व्हाइट एंड गोल्ड facade against the blue sky is just like the chef's kiss. It offers the most peaceful ambience you can find in the middle of the city bus. Now, let's talk about the heart of the action. White Town. This is where the French in French Riviera really comes alive. Think of quirky cafes, posh boutiques, and those iconic yellow painted structures that line every single street. Honestly, pure Instagram gold. इसको देखने का बेस्ट वे है टू रेंट अ विंटेज बाइसाइकिल और फिर राइड थ्रू द लेन्स, स्टॉप फॉर अ जेलेटो एंड जस्ट सोक इन द आर्किटेक्चर. And right at the edge of these beautiful lanes lies Promenade Beach, also known as the Rock Beach. यहाँ के rocks और ocean spray का मजा कुछ और ही है. You can stroll along the promenade for kilometers, and as the sun sets, the entire city seems to gather here. It is the ultimate people-watching spot. If you want something a bit more private island style, take a ferry to Paradise Beach. It's secluded, clean and perfect for water sports. Jet skiing यहाँ 500 से 1500 तक कॉस्ट करेगी. So अगर आपका पानी में भीगने का प्लान है, तो do carry a change of clothes. And finally, the grand finale. Honestly, अगर आप बेकर स्ट्रीट नहीं गए, तो have you even been to Pondicherry? Because this place is a local legend. Walking in here feels like stepping through a portal straight to France. It's busy, it's buzzing, and it smells like fresh butter and roasted coffee beans. It's a concept store where you get everything from artisan sourdough to gourmet imported cheese. Is it the cheapest place in town? No. Is it the most iconic? Absolutely. For a solid French experience in the heart of Tamil Quarters, this is 10 on 10. Getting to Pondicherry is like a breeze. Most travelers start from Chennai via East Coast Road, that is ECR. It's a 3.5-hour drive that runs right along the ocean. If you are coming from Bangalore, it's roughly 7 hours drive via NH77. Pro tip ये है, the absolute best way to get around once you arrive is by renting a scooter. It costs roughly around 400 to 500 rupees a day and gives you total freedom. October to February is the golden window to explore this beautiful place. And now, where should we stay? White Town. Stay here if you want to walk everywhere, love the French aesthetics, and don't mind paying more for the vibe. Heritage Town. Stay here if you want a local experience and lower prices, but still want to be 10-minute walk from the French Quarters. Auroville. Stay here if you want a peaceful forest retreat, away from the city crowd and traffic. Northern Beaches. Stay here if you want a surf town feel and direct access to sand and waves. This is how I want to sum up this journey. Pondicherry is more than just a destination, it's a mood. It's a spiritual piece of Auroville, the salt on your skin at Paradise Beach, and that first bite of a flaky croissant at Baker Street. It's a place that stays with you long after you have driven back down the ECR. Thanks for wandering with me today. Catch you in the next one.
I hope you liked my mother's video. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. Au revoir. This is Zain signing off.